Good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Today we are back at our roof and siding project in beautiful North Springs. Put the roof on this house last week, posted a video of that. This was a fire damage job. This bare slab, the unit burned approximately, I think about 8 years ago. There were some ownership issues. Our client was able to purchase it. He's going to use this as a workshop storage area for his RV. Yesterday we got the partition brick wall removed, cut back with the power saw. Pretty good solution, I think, without getting into a lot of masonry work. We cut the corner off nice, beveled it. I think it's adequate for what we're doing. Got our cornice put together, matched up. We're going to cover all that with coated metal. Be putting some D4 Conquest siding on it. It's an all-side product. Got our vapor barrier on. Coated metal, perforated soffit, starter strips. Good folks at Siding Supply pre-bent our fascia metal for us. It's nice when you have that kind of relationship with your supplier. It definitely makes the job more efficient. So our goal today will be to get all of this covered up. New fascia, soffit, and siding. And have this place looking new again. So if you need quality siding work of any kind, vinyl, metal, wood, fiber cement, our crews are very experienced in all of it, and we'll make it easy for you right away. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.